Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put the plexiglass case on your Pixie Kit. A lot of the guys are putting this together and they're snapping the plexiglass right here, because it goes in, but they're trying to force it. They're not putting this together right, and they're trying to force it together and they're breaking it. So this is how you put it together. You take the bottom first, okay, and then you take your 4 standoff feet and you put the 4 longest screws through the feet. You put it through one of the holes in the bottom, and then you take one of these standoff things, I don't know what you call it, but take a good look at it, and you screw that down onto the screw that's protruding through the bottom. You do that with all 4 feet. Oops, I'm not going to tighten this down, I'm just so I can show you. Take this, and that's really the key to it, is you gotta keep everything nice and loose. Don't tighten down anything until you actually get the whole thing together. Then go ahead and tighten it down. So let me get the last foot on there. And again, like I just said, the key to it is keep everything loose. Don't tighten anything down. That one there, I got to give it a little bit of help, just so it doesn't fall apart on me. Okay, so there you go, the 4 feet and the 4 standoffs. Now, you put your Pixie Kit onto the standoffs. Now you got 4 barrels like this. You screw them one at a time onto the standoffs. And there's 4 holes in your Pixie that line right up with the bottom standoffs. And again, keep everything loose. Okay, go to the last one. Alright, the first thing you do is, this is the B and C connector that goes through the side piece. I'm just going to go back and forth so you can see it. And there's a single tab. What you do is you put it over the B and C, then you got to lift up on the board, and it'll go right into that slot in the bottom. Okay, just like, oops, went off camera there for a second, like that. Then you take the back plate, single tab down. Again, you got to lift the board up a little bit to get those 2 3.5 millimeter jacks that protrude through it. Then you put the side plate on, the other side plate, and you hold everything together, because it is a little bit loose, and then you just slide this down on the top of it. You'll see the correct way, because it'll only go in there one way, and you just kind of like just wiggle it around, and all of those will fall into place, just like that. Didn't break a thing. Now you take your 4 screws, you put it into the top of the case, and then you can start tightening things down. Take that screw, and that screw, this screw, the last screw, and there you go. Your Pixie is inside of its plastic case. Now, if you have a Pixie Kit and you don't have one of these plastic kits, they're extremely hard to find on the internet. And if anybody ever finds where to buy one of these, other than the spot I'm going to tell you, let me know. Put it in a comment down below. But you can get these at pixiekits.com. I believe he's only got 3 of them available. I'll leave the link down at the bottom. And the only reason he's got 3 of them, because he had customers send back Pixie Kits that they couldn't build, or they said there was something wrong with it, and he scavenged the plexiglass cases out of it. But you cannot find these anywhere unless you bought the kit with it. Again, that's pixiekits.com. And that's all I got for you today, guys. Enjoy.